Does your dad have a signature dance move?
Yes. Twerking.
What's it like being a baby?
Hi.
Struggling for ideas for Mother's Day or Father's Day niches? Well, who better to ask than some kids? I interviewed a few kids to see what their ideas were. Some ideas that I got were comparing the parent to the kid.
In what ways would you say your parents are similar to you?
My mom would be similar to me by looks. My dad probably like emotionally and stuff.
Mostly I have everything. The looks are from my mom. Appearance and talking is mostly from my dad.
Parents and animals.
If your mom was an animal, what would she be?
Tiger.
I think a tiger.
A goat.
Why is she a goat?
He likes being a goat.
Because she likes being a goat.
Parents and sports.
Do you play any sports? Do you like any sports?
Yes, I play volleyball, but I really like of course I like volleyball, and I really like basketball, and I like rugby.
Do you play rugby or just watch it?
I watch it sometimes with my dad. My dad used to play rugby.
That's fair, okay. And what about your mom? Is she into sports?
Not really. I would say maybe she would watch like volleyball with me and stuff.
Like ballerinas.
Your dad likes ballerinas? Does he also dance ballet?
Yeah, like a superstar.
Like he dances ballet like a superstar.
Maybe parents and their favorite place.
Where is your dad's favorite place?
Probably South Africa.
And what about your mom?
Mom, I would say probably like a theater, maybe? No, I know where my mom's favorite place is, Dubai.
Probably it would be Paris, the Eiffel Tower.
And even new parents, or first Mother's Day, first Father's Day.
A bunny.
A bunny? Ooh.
A real bunny.
A real bunny. A pet bunny? Mm-hmm. And what about your dad? What kind of gift do you think he would like?
I know, like a jersey with like of the rugby like thing, the rugby team that he loves, like the jersey.
One important reminder, Mother's Day and Father's Day aren't exclusive to biological parents. When creating and selling for these niches, remember all the parent figures that are out there. Step parents, in-laws, grandparents, heck, even pet parents. So with this, thank you to all the parents out there, and if you'd like to join our YouTube family, like this video and subscribe to our channel.
The most important thing is to give them love, like to give them that you love them really as much as a real family, and then that they are the most important people in the world.